What's up, everybody? It's me, Carlos, and we're back with Game Fridge. A virus named Tom, number dose. So, where we left off, actually, now I'm not playing with my keyboard, I'm actually playing with this box. The 360 controller. It's hot here in LA. Jesus, Papiano's on as well, but god damn it, it's hot out here in LA. So, we're gonna continue on where we left off last time, which is single player. So, I'm gonna hit single player right now.
You have to understand.
Get on with the show. Okay, skip all that. Let's see, why wait till we were here? And I was on this one. Alright, last time I left is right here. Yeah, right here. So, level 2, 3. I'm gonna get a high score in this one. Okay, here we go. Alright, okay, now there's a lot of viruses out there, and now there's bad guys fucking everywhere. Okay, hold up. Here. Come on, alright, got that done. The hard part is figuring out, especially when you have the viruses going completely everywhere, is figuring out how. Oh, okay, I see what we did. See? Huh. Okay, I could do this. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, I think I got it now. I have to flip these completely, and I'm running out of time. Holy crap! Shit. Okay. Fuck. Shit. Okay. Get this one here. Damn it! This is getting really hard and stupid hard now. Okay, maybe I don't need this one. That one. Jeez Louise, I don't know how I'm gonna do this one. Oh, no, I got it. Okay, so this one bottle, flip it. Didn't work. Okay, there you go. Shit. And I got it. I think I got the last one. Yes, I got it. So, I got a silver. Okay. Pressing A right now to continue. This keeps getting tougher. There's a lot of stuff moving around. Okay, so now time for sending more drones. I've upgraded you with glitches. Okay, so what now? Right trigger and shift key in front of the drone to stop them. Okay. Huh. Okay. Kill them. Alright. Okay. So now I'm get my ass killed right now as soon as I got there. That's great. It's fucking cool. Sometimes it feels like there's too much going on, so I'm a little confused. Okay, I'm getting through it. Just super fucking nervous. Okay, that didn't help at all. Shit. Oh, yeah, I got it. Holy shit. Just that. Glitcher. Oh! Okay, that does work. Alright. Got the last piece. Flip. Done. Okay, silver. Keep going. We gotta keep mustering up to this. What's this? Oh. 5. I wanna get this. Oh! Whoa. That completely fucking sucked. I'm completely dead. I might as well just kill myself on this one. Gotta hold on for a second. Okay. Oh shit, now it's testing me on the sense. Holy fuck, holy fuck. Oh, what the fuck? I can't figure out what the fuck am I supposed to do here. Okay, so okay, I guess on this one I need a fucking damn. Okay, just when I thought shit was going good. Okay, cool, whatever. Okay, kill the virus. Ah. Almost. Nervous. Ha! Got it. Cool. We're in it. God damn. Being nervous and sweating is not the business right now. Almost. I think we're almost done. Okay. Alright. So it won't be that bad this time around, right? Oh, okay, now I see. So that's gonna be part of the source now. Okay, how far are we then? Shit, one more levels. I think it's taking fucking forever. Okay, so setting it up is the point. Well, that didn't help out at all. Gotta be more careful about this. Okay. Alright. Shit, okay. Okay. Hold up. There's a lot of shit going on. I don't know how I'm doing this. But I'm doing it. Okay. Okay. Shit! Holy fuck. Damn! Oh god. Okay. Okay, don't get nervous. Excuse yourself. Fuck. Okay. Fuck, I didn't see that shit. Fuck. Okay, hold up. Still got time to do this. I gotta take my time on this shit. Okay. Hold on. Woo. Holy fucking shit. Ooh! Did I get everything? No. Fuck. Fuck, I have to wait for this thing to come back. Come on, crash into it already. There you go. Yes! Alright, we done on this one. Now we're gonna go on a bronze. Oh my god, this is getting crazy. Okay. Oh, I see. So, I have to play this stupid game. Cool. Figuring out how everything works. Fuck. Okay, hold up. Well, I think that worked. Yep. Oh, got a silver. Okay. 2 more levels and we're done. Question is, fuck, how far am I? There's more levels in this. I'm fucking scared. Hold up. I'm wasting time just standing here. Shit. Can't do that. Getting really hard. I can't figure it out what to do on this one. Huh. Damn. Fuck. I can't think right now. Should be very complicated. Okay, if I do that, but it doesn't leave anything there. Fuck it up. Holy shit, I don't know what to do here. I got that. Why am I not paying attention? Oh, killing myself. I think I got it. Question is if it's gonna work. Okay. Question is if it's going to work, because I don't know what the fuck to do here. Okay. Whew. Almost got killed right now. Damn, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Somebody tell me it's not gonna work. Oh, what? Whoa. Fuck. What to do with the last part? Okay, I get everything. I get all these other ones. Okay. Maybe I have to start it off from here. Maybe that is the trick. Start it off from here. That way. Okay. Almost there. That one there. Huh. Well, that doesn't help the situation, right? Did it work? Did it work? Did it work? Huh. Huh. Okay, you know what? I know what I gotta do. I messed up in the beginning. I think you need to start off from here. But it doesn't make sense. Doesn't make any fucking sense to it. But... oh, fuck. Now it does. Ollie. I got it now. I totally got this puzzle. It was just tough. Probably stupid, but it took a while. Damn. Okay. The timing is pretty bad for me. Like I said, I'm not good at puzzle games, so give me a fucking break. Here we go. Oh, almost. Oh! And then that leaves that one there. Why? That's when I think I got shit right. Oh. I don't fucking get this one. I'm running out of time too. Shit. Okay. Huh. Okay. Think. God damn, I have a minute left. I don't know what to think right now. I'm lost for words. I thought that was the way to do it, but I guess it's not. The question is... okay, if that's not the way to do it then... oh, I got my ass. Fuck. Taking a break. Do I take the skip? I don't know whether to take the skip or not. I'm actually a little lost right now. Whether to take it or not. I'll figure this out. There has to be a way for me to figure this out. But I'll do it next time. This is too much.